I've been grinding some gold blocks, and I'm just gonna do this because I can. I had 100 gold blocks. I somehow did this not even, but what I could do is do this. There we go. See this. Does it really look like a crown? Probably not. So let's see. If it doesn't, well, sad. Yeah, that looks decently as a crown, I guess. Okay, now we need to make it look like it more like a person. So to the desert. I totally forgot I had some gold blocks in. After the desert. Good. I don't know why, never mind. I'll never use concrete. I'm not going to use concrete. To the desert. Finally. What the desert? It's not even the desert, I don't care. I don't care if it's not the desert. These things. I really need my feet. Thank you. And they see me, you go da 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 da. Da, ta. What if I just chuck it in the water? Will that work? It's King Slime. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, boy. Okay. Do I have that? Yes, I do. Come on. You ruined the moment. I picked up my shirt. I picked up whatever. I just love crowns today, I bet. I think. Hey, King Slime, I'm coming, boy. Oh, look at this. Me found on the other side. The new music. Ready? Oh, wait. It's got flags, so I don't even. Okay. It's good enough. Okay. My dream needs to fix this. There's a glitch though that makes you get. It makes you can get any spawner you want. So any spawn egg and any spawner. Since this is King Slime, yeah, probably watch another one. I'm sorry if you don't know the glitch, or you just don't know the glitch, and yeah, so I'll quickly do the glitch off camera, so nobody sees. Okay, it's the only time I'm gonna use it. I don't think I've ever had this in survival Minecraft. Well, I can't break it now. Jesus, man. Place down the torch and farm it. Where's the torch? What, do we have one spawns? Look at this, already stacked. See, this is why this glitch is so overpowered. So, well, alright. Okay. But I was on full hearts, and I kept my stuff. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, was that immortal? I'm immortal, but I died and kept my stuff. Sweet. Okay, I think that's it for this episode. To stop slime blows. Slime blows. Slime balls. Shanty. Bouncy. Always lying down, bouncy. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Hey, pretend there's mobs. Oh no, what am I going to do? I can't do anything apart from bouncy, overthink, bouncy. Okay, I think I'm gonna make a trampoline for the rest of this episode. But and that's it for this episode. Bye.